When life gets busy, the last thing you need is a cord slowing you down. With the Clean Air Cordless Vacuum from Riccar, we want to speed up your cleaning. Whether that's your carpet or in the dark places where dirt likes to hide. With a flick of a switch, you control the brush roll speed. And it doesn't end there. Carpets, rugs, or hard floor, the Clean Air Cordless has you protected. Like our jam sensor, keeping your vacuum running. From edge-to-edge cleaning, to bright headlights giving you sight in dark spaces, and onboard tools, you can clean wherever the clean is needed. Allergens are no more with our sealed HEPA media bag. With Riccar, Cordless is more. More power, more freedom, more clean. The Clean Air Cordless Upright. Want to see more? Visit your authorized Riccar retailer for more information.